Hello, I'm Dr. Pariser, and I'm going to talk to you about the speed of light. Maxwell, in the 1860s, found that the electric constant and the magnetic constant produce the speed of light, and he did this by looking at the units. I'm going to start by saying that the speed of light is equal to 1 over the square root of the electric constant and the magnetic constant. First, what I'm going to do is show you that these units come out to be meters per second, and then to evaluate what the speed of light is. From Gauss's law, the integral of E dot n dA is equal to the charge over the electric constant. Now, in units, the electric field is newtons per coulomb, and area is meters squared, and that's equal to charge over epsilon 0. So, if I cross multiply this, epsilon 0 would have the units of coulombs per squared per Newton meter squared. Actually, it's 8.85 times 10 to the minus 12 coulombs squared per Newton meter squared. Now, what about the magnetic constant? Ampere's law says the integral of B dot ds is equal to mu 0 times I. Okay, here it's the magnetic constant. So the magnetic field has the units of Newton seconds per coulomb meter, and distance is meters, and that's equal to mu 0, and current is coulombs per second. So if I solve for this, what do I get? I have Newton seconds squared, these meters go out, per coulomb squared, and that's mu 0. Actually, mu 0 is 4 pi times 10 to the minus 7 Newton seconds per squared per coulomb squared. Now, what I want to show first is if I put these units in, forget about the numbers, I get meters per second. And so the speed of light is 1 over the square root. I'm not putting in the numbers, I'm just putting in the units. So I have coulombs squared per Newton meters squared. That's this one. And if I put in this one, I have Newton seconds squared per coulombs. So what happens here? What happens here? This goes out with that, and this goes out with that. And what I have is seconds squared over meters squared. So this comes out to be 1 over the square root of seconds squared over meters squared. So that's going to be 1 over this 1 over seconds per meter. Okay, and that turns out to be meters per second. Now, if I put the numbers in, so the speed of light would be 1 over the square root of 8.85 times 10 to the minus 12. And mu 0 would be 4 pi times 10 to the minus 7. And when I put that in, I'm going to take a calculator and just do this calculation with you. So I have 8.85 exponent 12 with the minus sign times 4 times second function pi times 1 exponent 7 with the minus sign. Okay, and press equals, and now I press second function square root, and now I press y to the x 1 with a minus sign, and I get the speed of light is 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. So Maxwell saw that the electric constant and the magnetic constant produce the speed of light, and he deduced that light must travel as an electromagnetic wave. Thank you very much.